A B C
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
D
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
E
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing
F
with me? A, B, C, D,
G
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
H
S, T, U, V,
I
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
J
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
K L M N
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
O
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
P
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Q
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing
R
with me?
S
A, B, C, D, E, F,
T
G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
U
Q, R, S, T, U, V,
V
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
W
Next time, won't you sing with me?
X Y Z
Let's paint.
red color A J
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
E
Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on
N
Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the
O
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on
S
Drury Lane.
W green color C
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
G
Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on
H
Drury Lane?
Yes, we
L
know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
Q
You know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
U
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the
Y
Muffin Man.
yellow color
Yes, we know the Muffin Man
D
who lives on Drury Lane.
I M R V
Do you know the Muffin Man, the
Z
Muffin Man,
pink
the
color
Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
B
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man,
F
the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man
K
who lives on Drury Lane.
P T X